what's up everybody, I'm the Crystal Warrior, and today I want to teach you guys how to get Stranded Beast for free. Yes, you heard Stranded Beast for free, you don't have to pay any money. It's really simple. So basically what you want to do, you want to go to YouTube, right? And you want to look up how to get Stranded Beast for free. Once you look up this, you want to click on this thing. How to get Stranded Beast for free on YouTube. You want to click on it, right? Alright, so now that you clicked on it, make sure you go subscribe to him. He's the one that got me Stranded Beast for free. So now, once you have that, you want to basically go down until you find the link to download it right here. You want to basically click that. And then it should take your media file. Then it should see a download link and Stranded Beast. This is where I got Stranded Beast for free. And if you guys hit that download button, you can download Stranded Beast for free straight off just like that. It's really simple. And I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Crystal Warrior signing out.